Located in the Western Ghat mountain ranges, a lush plantation in a tropical evergreen rainforest, landscape into a dream of perfection.
Respected Principal Reverend Sister Linda Therese, Vice Principal Reverend Sister Mabel Therese, Manager Reverend Sister Shubha Therese, teachers, parents and my dear friends. A warm good morning to all. Today on June 5th, we are celebrating the World Environmental Day. The World Environmental Day is the UN's most important day for encouraging worldwide protection of our environment and to conserve it. Also, this day is important for each one of us.
Let's welcome our Honorable Principal, Reverend Sister Linda Therese, Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Mabel Therese, and Manager, Reverend Sister Shubha Therese, to inaugurate this occasion by planting a sapling.
Now, let's invite Devendra to speak a few words on the importance of celebrating Environmental Day.
The earth is what we all have in common. It's our collective and individual responsibility to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live. So, on this day, 5th of June, when the whole world is celebrating the World Environment Day, with the objective to create awareness of the environment and to enhance political attention and action, it's the responsibility of every one of us to be a part of this objective and help accordingly. The natural world is changing and we are dependent on that world. It provides us food, water, and air. It's the most precious thing and we need to protect it. Rather than a celebration, it's a warning that the environment needs to be protected. Environmental protection doesn't happen in vacuum. So let's come up together for the protection of the environment and thereby for the existence of the whole living world. Now, let me conclude my words by remembering that what we save saves us. Thank you.
Greta, an 18-year-old girl, climate activist, was broken down in Climate Action Summit 2019. She is an epitome for all of us. It's time to meet today's guest, Sundarlal Bahuguna. Put your hands together and welcome Fenin, who has transformed himself into late Sundarlal Bahuguna.
Hi friends, do you know me? Of course, anyone who knows about the Chipko movement can never forget me. But for the sake of the new generation, let me introduce myself. I am Sundarlal Bahuguna. I was born on 9th January 1927 on Tehri, Uttarakhand, a small land known for its beautiful unfolding village. I was grown up with great care of nature and surrounding. I often thought of how to save the nature from the destruction of human beings. Nature has always provided us with everything which was necessary for our survival. But the greed of us, humans, was never satisfied, and the nature has to pay all the dues. We evolved into the embrace of the Mother Nature, but as the year passed, we started to rip off the same hand which fed us. There is a limit to everything, and nature couldn't tolerate anymore. People like me stood for the protection and conservation of the forest. Chipko movement is one of the best examples of that. According to me, environmentalists are the earth warriors who has been a part of a great movement to save the earth. I have dedicated my life towards one goal, which is to save the earth and bring necessary steps to take improvement. If the trees had a voice, they would tell you not to slaughter them because a green environment will benefit the animal and people. I am still fighting for environment and continues to be a popular public figure.
Penny, you made us realize how important is your presence in saving the nature. Let's see what Helvin George is doing.
See, I am planting a sapling as a part of saving our environment.
Akyuna, are you also going to plant a sapling?
We used it to get saplings from our school. But now we are unable to join together in our school because of COVID-19 crisis. So that I thought of planting sapling in my own house and become a part of saving nature.
Hi friends, I'm Alona Saravana. I'm also enjoying with you. I have done some drawing of our environment. This is to create awareness among people about the importance of saving our environment. Dear friends, you can also join with us and do some activities.
Here comes our friend Matthews with his words of inspiration. Welcome, dear Matthews.
Hi friends, we all are living in a society where people are struggling to build up a better tomorrow. So what I have to say to you is that nurture the nature for a beautiful future. This day reminds us of planting saplings and protecting our mother nature. We should have all kinds of plants including medicinal plants, fruit bearing plants, shade trees and so on in our surroundings. So I started nurturing different kinds of plants. It includes my small mango tree, mangosteen, kokum, long pepper, tamarind, etc. This is one of my favorite places where I spend my free time. I used to sit here and talk to nature. It gives me a lot of happiness. Just avoid the thought that someone will save nature and realize we are that someone. Remember, don't cut trees unnecessarily. If you cut a tree, plant 2 more trees and save our environment. Don't throw waste here and there. Let us keep our Mother Earth clean and healthy. And also, I wish you all a very happy Environmental Day. Thank you.
We just want to come over to your place and enjoy the beauty of nature. Your love for nature is an example for all of us to follow. We have heard that singing has the power to heal. On this occasion, we have Evelyn Elsa Sunil with us to express the thoughts of environment with a poem.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചു മക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചു മക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി ഇത് പ്രാണവായുവിനായി നടന്നു ഇത് മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടന്നു ഇത് പ്രാണവായുവിനായി നടന്നു ഇത് മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടന്നു അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തീൻപഴങ്ങൾക്കായി ഒരു 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടന്നു അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തീൻപഴങ്ങൾക്കായി ഒരു 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടന്നു ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചു മക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി.
Thank you.
pressure, let's invite Ramya ma'am to deliver a message on this important day.
Hi everyone, a good day to all. What a beautiful flower, isn't it? Yes, if you love the nature will give you everything. This is not my word, this is Franklin's words. My honorable respected principal, Sister Linda Therese, Vice Principal, Sister Mabel Therese, Manager, Sister Shubha Therese, my dear colleagues, parents, and my dear sweet children. Today is June 5th. The whole world is celebrating the World Environment Day today. The first Environment Day was celebrated on 1974 in USA. It is a day to spread the awareness about the protection and taking care of our environment. Our environment is a natural world that comprises of air, water, lands, animals, plants, etc. as our surroundings. In today's world, we all try to keep ourselves safe, healthy and fresh. To make this possible, we all need a healthy environment, fresh air, water, good food, shelter, etc. All these we get it from our Mother Earth. But unfortunately, we human beings do maximum damages to our environment. We use all the resources from our environment but give back nothing. But we human beings have the potential to make the nature look beautiful. For that, we have to adopt the principles of sustainable development in our lives by taking small initiatives like the usage of jute, cloth, paper bags, saving drinking water, recycling the wastage products, planting trees, reducing the usage of plastics, etc. To save and create the awareness of brethren, the UN has declared 5th June as the World Environment Day. It is all our duty to protect our Mother Earth and environment and make the possibility of the happy and healthy life. So, save the nature, save your life.
Experience nature. Experience heaven.